back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we are back with another tutorial, and this time we are working on how to get emails from your Outlook account in ASP.NET MVC. So the first step is guys, you have to go to project and manage nugget packages, and then you have to install the package Microsoft.exchange.web services. So we will use this package to get the emails from our Outlook account. Okay, so now coming back to the controller guys, here what we have done is I have created one class email service, and in this class I am passing three parameters. One is the exchange service URL, so this will be static for all the users. Then we require the Outlook account credentials, so this will be the email and the password. Okay, and then we have this get emails method that we have created here, and which will use the credentials and the URL that we provided, and based on that it will pick the emails from the inbox folder, and there you specify the item size that you want to get. Okay, so in this we will get the emails from our Outlook account. So we will just run this, and don't worry about the code part, because we will provide you a direct link of the code from where you can download the code, so don't worry about that. And if this works for you guys, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Facebook. So now we will just run the application and we will see how this works. So here you can see that we are passing the exchange service URL here, and then we are trying to get the inbox emails, and in the find results you will see that we have 7 inbox emails, and you will be able to check the values there. So we will just expand this, and here you will notice, so we have the from here, like who has sent the email, and then the other fields is here, like is there any attachment or something. So there are many fields available guys, and you can use those as per your requirements. So this is the email that we got. Okay, so this is the account that we are picking the emails from, so we will just see this. So these are the emails, and you can see inbox is 7 emails. So these are the emails that we are getting in the code. Okay guys, and now coming to the code, how you can get uh, the code is, you have to go to your um, browser and search for codetonight.com, and this is our official website. So here if you scroll down, and you can also find here, so you will be able to see the how to get Outlook's email in ASP.NET. And once you open that up, you will be able to see the same code that we just seen in the video, and you can join us on WhatsApp or Facebook from here, and you can see the same code that I just showed you. Okay, so you can copy and use that code, and you can also download it from here. So this is it guys, let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.